You took your first step to become a pro scalper. In this video, you will learn step-by-step guide to become a profitable trader. Open up your empty blank chart and head over to Indicators tab. Then search for Alpha Trend for your first indicator. And this is from the Kıvanç Özbilgiç. Click that to your chart. Second indicator is Donchian Trend Ribbon, and you will see indicator from Lonesome W. Click that to your chart. And after you add these indicators, you will see on your chart a one signal indicator and the one confirmation indicator. Our time frame will be 1 minute, 3 minutes and 5 minutes, because we are going to scalp today and we will try to increase our profit rate as much as possible. I will show you the settings of these all indicators in the coming minute. Make sure you stay until the end of the video so you do not miss any key points. So let's dive into how this indicator works. This indicator setup is really self-explanatory. All you need to do is just follow the signal and confirm with the confirmation indicator. But there is one important thing that you should be always focusing while you scalping. You will only took trade between 3 a.m. to 5 a.m. in the London session, and in the New York session you will be only trading between 9:30 to up until 4 p.m. This is how you should trade and how you should took the signals. You can also avoid the New York lunchtime if you wanna just play it safe. So using these indicators are really simple. As I said before, when you get the buy signal from the alpha trend, and you will go down and check with the Donchian trend ribbon. If it gives you the green, you will just initiate your long position here. For to demonstrate it, you will just enter here right with the buy signal, and you will put your stop loss to the recent support line like always, and you can target 1 to 5 or 1 to 2 depending on your risk management. Since you are scalping, you can prefer 1 to 1.5, so it really depends on you. You can just watch the whole price section before you exit, or you can take a partial and you can manage your stop loss. You can trail your stop loss. I will show everything to you in a coming minute. Don't get confused. Let's see this indicator on the real market now. The New York session is about to open. We are watching the charts and market dropping. We are waiting for some signal. Donchian trend ribbon just got into green zone, but we still didn't get any buy signal from the alpha trend. In that scenario, all you need to do is just wait patiently until the opportunity comes to you. Get ready to take your trading to the next level. I have passed lot of challenge account easy like 3 to 1 with Algo Premium. These indicators are here to guide you in the darkness. You can use Algo indicators on any market you want. Algo has 3 different trading indicators: signals and overlays, price action concepts, and oscillator metrics. The great thing is they all have their own backtesting system. Click the link in the description to claim your discount now. Don't rush yourself, just wait. And what you see here is a buy signal from the alpha trend. If you remember the rule, it's very simple. You will just put your entry here and you will target 1 to 1.5, and you will put your stop loss to the recent support line. Easy like that, right? Just follow the rules if you want to become a consistent profitable trader. So let's see. If we just follow the market, you can see that the target has been reached. The market start bouncing from that zone, and you can see that it just crashed over that. And what we see here is a new sell signal. Are we going to take this signal? The simple answer is definitely yes. Why? Because regarding our rules, we are still in the New York AM session. The sell signal appeared here and we got a red from the Donchian trend ribbon. All we need to do is just initiate the short position here, put your stop loss to the recent resistance line and target 1 to 1.5. After hitting that, if we don't get stopped out, what you can do is you can just manage your stop loss. Now I will show you. You can see that the target has been reached here, I guess. Let's roll the market. Yeah, the target has been reached. So what you can do is you can just close the first position here, right? Let's assume that you open a 2 contract here. You can close the first one, and what you will do is you can think like a new position, right? So you can move your stop loss to your break-even point, which will be here. So it's a 100% risk-free trade. From that point, everything will be a profit for you. You can think like that. So as long as it goes, what we will do is, let's roll the market. It's still dropping. You will trail your stop loss. So you are maximizing your profit. It is very nice strategy. You know, if you just follow it, you can just pass your challenge accounts in 1 day or 2 day, whatever it is. So you will not miss the whole price action, because if you just stick with the 1 to 2 or 1 to 1.5, whatever it is, you will just take it and leave it. But if you just use a trail stop on your second contract, you can just ride the trend, and this is how we like it. Now let's go over to the alpha trend settings here. The multiplier is 2.5, the common period is 10, and the SRC is close. So all you need to do is just this. You can copy my style settings. I use it on the default. If you done that, just hit the OK button. And now let's go over to Donchian trend ribbon and change the channel period to 25. If you guys are scalping, these settings are very important to you. And just hit the OK button, and that's all the settings you need to do. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, please consider watching those videos, and until the next time, see you soon.
From the city to the beach, we've had a nice and leech. Trading stocks, making moves. I'm the boss at 3T1. Got the hustle in my blood.